Check, check. I got a lot of feedback on the wedges now because they were so loud. So ears are working, you can bring the wedges down. Woo, make it stop, make it stop. You ready? Put your hands together and clap with me. To make some really wishes, but I can see it out. I'm talking to I see you getting up, feeling like you're sleeping. I tell you like, you can't be out of me. You said you wake up, got to get you really low. The pieces in your slows, I think I gotta go. I wanna hear you come on now. It just so amazing looking at me. Everything was just perfect. I got a little something though. Can I grab a towel? Eat shit. We're gonna slow it down a little bit.